So this is one of my favorite spots to film, in the middle of nowhere in Amboy, California. This place is called Roy's Motel, and I found it 8 years ago during a random road trip. So pop this in here. Hey Renz, can you go to the control and hit up on the other side of the box? Clap, clap. Just go up. Go ahead. Yep. Yep. Oh, down, the other way. The other way. Hold it. All right, stop. Gotta line these boys up so I don't bonk anything. You're wondering why, guys, or why I'm trailering this car. We just came back from SEMA. Okay, down. Go, go, go. Freaking naps. The other way. More. Keep going. Okay. That's good. Leave it there. Pop these off so I can get in the car. We're trying to catch the sunset. You think we'll catch a sunset? Looks pretty good, huh? All right, here we go, here we go. Remote starter. Remote start. I think we're good. All the goodies are off. All right, here we go. Make sure I don't hit the little pocket cam. It's right there.
Can you reverse it now with your key?
No. Not this model. This thing sounds so good. Listen to this. Front lip's good. So dusty. Pretty cool sign right here that says Route 66. So awesome. Woo. Crazy. Route 66 is a road that goes, I think, west to east. And it's super long. You can literally take a road trip just going down Route 66. So there you go.